Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to earning a six-figure or even seven-figure income online? In this video, I'll break down 8 proven online business ideas that can change your life, and the best part, you don't need a huge investment to get started. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Here's how it works. You promote someone else's product or service through your unique affiliate link. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Simple, right? How to start? Choose a niche you're passionate about. Sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareSale, and start promoting through blogs, YouTube, or social media. Potential earnings. Beginners can earn $500 to $2,000 monthly. With experience, top affiliates rake in over $50,000 a month. Building a personal or business brand online can open doors to sponsorships, partnerships, and more. Focus on creating valuable content around your expertise or interests, whether it's fitness, travel, or finance. How to start? Choose your niche, create consistent and engaging content, and build a presence on platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube. Potential earnings. Brands with a strong online presence can make anywhere from $1,000 to $100,000 per month, depending on their audience size and engagement. Digital real estate is booming. You can buy undervalued websites, domain names, or apps, improve them, and sell them for a profit. This is like flipping houses, but entirely online. How to start? Use platforms like Flippa to find assets, improve their SEO, design, or functionality, and list them for resale. Potential earnings. Successful flips can generate profits of $500 to $50,000 or more per transaction. What is the difference between e-commerce and dropshipping? An e-commerce business is when you sell products online through your own store. You're in charge of everything from buying inventory to storing it, packaging orders, and shipping them to customers. This model gives you complete control over your brand and the customer experience. Dropshipping is a type of e-commerce where you sell products without holding any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a supplier, and they ship it directly to the customer. It's a low-risk way to start an online store. With e-commerce, you sell physical products, while dropshipping allows you to sell products without holding inventory. Both models can be lucrative. How to start? Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or Ecommerce. Find trending products, and start marketing through ads and social media. Potential earnings. Beginners might start with $1,000 to $5,000 monthly, but top stores can earn $100,000 plus per month. If you have a skill or knowledge that others need, why not monetize it? Online courses are a fantastic way to earn passive income. How to start? Choose a topic you're knowledgeable about, create detailed lessons, and host them on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Potential earnings. Course creators can make anywhere from $500 to $50,000 plus monthly, depending on the course quality and demand. Email marketing might sound old school, but it remains one of the highest raw methods to grow a business online. How to start? Build an email list using lead magnets, nurture your audience with valuable content, and promote products or services. Potential earnings. Skilled email marketers can earn $1,000 to $10,000 per month, with advanced strategies bringing in 6 figures annually. If you're a creative person, you can sell your handmade products or digital designs online. How to start? Use platforms like Etsy for physical creations or Fiverr for digital ones like logos or website designs. Potential earnings. Artists and creators can make $500 to $5,000 plus monthly, with top sellers earning much more. Print on demand is a low-risk business model where you sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases. When someone places an order, the product is printed and shipped by a third-party company. How to start? Design your products using tools like Canva, upload them to platforms like Printful or Redbubble, and start marketing. Potential earnings. Beginners can earn $500 to $2,000 monthly, while experienced sellers can hit $10,000 plus per month. There you have it, 8 online business ideas that have the potential to transform your financial future. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. I will give a video about that in detail. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on building your online empire. Until next time, keep hustling and dreaming big.